Hi, this is Jenny Paxson. I'm going to show you a couple of tricks for the Libby app. So I just went to the library page, and if you click on the Explore button, there are a lot of things hidden in here. There's different guides for different collections: kids, teens, magazines, mysteries, and thrillers. What's new? So if you click on that, you'll see the new magazines, audiobooks, books. What's popular? Popular things are things that are often checked out, that have high holds lists, that people are really interested in. What's available are things that you can check out right now. Skip the Line is a really cool thing that we have. It's books that have really high holds lists, and they're available right now for you to check out. So these things are not available for holds. They're just always available for you to do immediately. And every day there's something different, possibly every hour. It just depends on when things are returned, and they're available again in the lucky day. There's our subject searches are here. And then there's this cool list called Spotlights. And under Spotlights, you'll see different types of things. Like if you're interested in medieval detectives, you could select that, and there'll be a whole list. Well, not that one. A whole list of books that are under that subject series. This is a bookshot. So these are every single bookshot is collected together in this spotlight. So there's a lot of different treasures in here, and you should go through and see, if there's anything you're interested in. The last thing I'm going to show you is down the main page here. If you go underneath the subject searches on this main page, there is this Duke Classics with no wait. Now these are all books that are always available 100% of the time. So no matter how many people check something out, you will always find something available, and they're all classics. And there's over 4,100 titles available, and they have ebooks and audiobooks available. So if you're looking for something immediately to read right now, this is a good spot to go. And I lied, there's one more thing I'm going to show you. Up here, if you go to the very top of the screen and hit the Libby face on the right top, there's a lot of things hidden in here. Under your libraries, you can add a library, and you can add, like right now I've just got the Monroe County Library System, but you can also add the New York Public Library. Right now they're not letting people sign up for library cards, but when they do again, this is where you could potentially add your New York Public Library card, because anybody who lives in New York State can get a New York Public Library card. There's other things in here that are hidden, but that was the one thing that I wanted to show you. There's some helpful things too if you want to learn something. On the top of the screen here, it has some notifications, things, oh, learn how to do this or learn how to do that. So there's different things hidden up here in this little Libby head. So just wanted to show you a couple of tips and tricks that you could do with the Libby app.